Hello everybody, it's spring of 2024 and you all know what that means. It's time to open up the back patio. This year, item 1 on the agenda is the grill, because it's my birthday weekend at the time of recording. We're going to grill some burgers. So get the tripod set up over there and get it going. And right on cue, when I begin recording, the wind starts blowing. But we'll make the best of it. Overall, it looks pretty good. Need to wipe it down. The igniter's dead. Got a Amazon Basics we're going to throw in there. Will it work? Nope. That's too bad. A little bit later, got back with a brand new igniter. I had to do the right thing and cover some of the terminals with electrical tape so they wouldn't all arc out. And I'll be using the 2 outside terminals for my 2-burner setup system. It does work. So we'll be in good shape there. Go ahead and take the battery out of it while I'm installing, so I don't accidentally zap myself, because that's never fun. Very good. Go ahead and get this installed. Now take the battery out. Alright, the Amazon Basics battery, a AA. Very good. Let's give it a fire test. Looks like that's working to me. Looks like it's still in the green on the gas gauge. So that's good. Very good. Look like somebody has used that besides me and didn't clean it up very good. So I will go on to cleaning this thing up now. For the grill surface, I'm just going to use some hot water and a damp rag. Just wipe this stuff off. And then for the rest of it, I'm going to use this Dawn Platinum Power Wash Spray. Sure looks like somebody else used this and didn't clean it up. I usually clean it up a heck of a lot better than this. But we'll get it taken care of now and no problem. Same hot water rag. And that looks like that's doing a fine job. And then we should be able to make some good birthday burgers. Not sure if I'm going to be cooking them or somebody else at this point. We'll see. Seems to be cleaning up pretty nicely. Just ignore that rust at the bottom. I'll certainly make believe I didn't see that. Also make believe I didn't see how rickety that thing's getting. And then, of course, once I get done wiping it down, I'm going to have to dry it off somehow. Bet y'all can guess how I'm going to do that. Guess I'll wipe off the propane bottle. And this is most certainly a case of if you squint, it's mint. Let's go ahead and put it back in place. Doesn't get any easier than that. The grill's drying off nicely. So that's a shame. But the main thing is the main burners are lighting. So we're all dried off and shooting at a pretty good temperature. So I think we are ready for some burgers. That'll be awesome. And I'll play with this a little bit just to see if I can get that side burner going. So the grill's up and running. Have to worry about that side burner later. But the main thing is the main griddle or the main grill area is working, and we'll be able to cook some good burgers. So once again, this is part 1 of Patio opening 2024, getting the grill going. Thank you for watching.